Care Bear. What are you doing? What are you doing? Stop chasing me. Where are you going? Where are you going? Watch where you're going. What are you doing? Can you jump? Ooh, that was a good jump. Can you jump again? Jump again. Woo! That was good. What else can you do? Can you say hi? Can you say hi?
Hi.
Can you say dog? Jump. Very good. Where did Alex and Avery go? Where are they? What are they doing?
Hi.
Where are you going? What? Hi. No, you don't need in there. You just finished eating. Claire, what are you doing? No, no. What are you doing? I don't think you need any oatmeal. Yeah. Maybe you should put it away. Can you put it away? Okay. Thank you. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to the camera. Say bye-bye. Claire, say bye-bye. Can you wave? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Okay, goodbye.